Right, so there wasn't going to be a video this week because for the last few days I'll put on here. Now I'll show you what I've been doing for the last few days. I don't need a flash unit for the indicators that we put on the front because they're just traceable, they just flash on their own. So I've been trying to find the feed. Anyway, all I needed to do was bridge those two, and I end up with that. This is what I wanted. But as you can see, it's just an absolute rat's nest. There's nothing taped. Everything's blue or white. It's just, yeah, I didn't want this to be my next job, but I think it's going to be. It's just tidy up all this wiring, loom it up properly. I did loom this up. I got these done, which is, so everything's back in its proper place. I think that needs to be my next job, is just tidy all the wiring up and get it all out of the way. Anyway, at least we sorted that, so this will be the next job. I might not video it because it might be too stressful for everybody to view. So, thanks for watching. It's just a short one, just show you where we are, what's happened. Link in the description for buy me a coffee if you think this is funny. I don't find this funny at all. But yeah, okay, thanks for watching, see you next time, bye.